Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Teclife PAH3DWH Pro. Though double the price of the budget options, this solar power helmet is still considerably cheaper than some of the most expensive helmets, yet still retains excellent quality and features. It comes with an optical clarity rating, assuring you that it has the best safety rating possible for a welding helmet. There is a wide range of shades available, allowing you to use this as a good all-rounder helmet for most welding and plasma cutting tasks. The large view area gives you improved sight over the objects you are welding and allows you to look from all angles. Our second welding helmet is Entra H6. If you are simply looking for an entry-level welding helmet, this Entra H6 solar power welding helmet is a great option thanks to the reasonable price and range of features. It has been awarded Amazon's choice for welding helmets thanks to excellent customer reviews and great sales levels. The shading level ranges for most welding and plasma cutting procedures, especially for beginners to welding. It has modes which can be switched depending on what task is being performed: TIG, MIG, MMA, plasma, and grinding. If it's the latter, just hit the grind button. Number 3 in our list is Lincoln Electric 3350. Lincoln Electric is a very trusted brand when it comes to tools and accessories, and this is yet another excellent item to add to their range. This solar power helmet utilizes brand new 4C technology to improve what you are able to see, whilst still providing maximum protection against sight damage. At only 3.2 pounds, it is quite light for a welding helmet and very easy to carry. It is solar powered, which is great for the environment and saves you additional costs for batteries in the future. Our fourth pick is Dewalt Pro XG30. This is another mid-priced item that nevertheless delivers the same quality as some of the more expensive helmets. Made by Dewalt Pro, it is a very high-quality item that has been specially produced to be one of the best solar power helmets on the market, making it environmentally friendly and saving you battery costs. The viewing area of Dewalt Pro welding masks is standard in size but designed to allow you to view in various angles, improving your peripheral vision whilst using a welding mask. It comes in a cool design that can be purchased in either red or blue and is much less in your face than some of the other designs. Last in our list is SAB Sentinel A50. This SAB Sentinel A50 auto darkening welding helmet comes in a completely different design from classic series welding helmets. This means it is a very comfortable choice, and the aerodynamic design allows it to feel lightweight and well balanced on the head. It uses resistance nylon, which provides ultimate protection against high-impact objects, adding an additional layer of protection to the auto darkening helmet. The wide viewing window is also much larger than other solar power auto darkening welding helmets, so great if you need unrestricted peripheral vision.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!